Budgeting can be difficult, but one simple rule that can help is the 50-30-20th budgeting rule. The 50-30-20th budgeting rule states that 50% of your income should go towards essentials, 30% towards lifestyle choices, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. Essentials are the things you need to survive, such as housing, food, transportation, and healthcare. These expenses should make up no more than 50% of your income. Lifestyle choices are things that make you happy and comfortable, such as entertainment, dining out, and shopping. These expenses should make up no more than 30% of your income. The remaining 20% of your income should be allocated towards savings and debt repayment. This includes things like saving for retirement, an emergency fund, and paying off any outstanding debt. The 50-30-20th budgeting rule is a simple way to ensure that you are spending your money in a balanced and responsible way. By following the 50-30-20th budgeting rule, you can take control of your finances and make sure your money is working for you. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful in understanding the 50-30-20th budgeting rule. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice.